Shifting tracks now, even as the Congress party continues to deal with its exodus problem, mostly because of its alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party, Congress's Lok Sabha candidate for North East Delhi, Kanhaiya Kumar, has met jailed Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's wife, Sunita Kejriwal, today. After his courtesy meet with Mrs. Kejriwal, the Congress leaders also launched a scathing attack at the Bharatiya Janata Party, and they've also said that, speaking about Aam Aadmi Party's supremo Arvind Kejriwal's arrest, the leader called out BJP's dictatorship and said that the India bloc will together defeat BJP in the Lok Sabha battle.
सवाल है कि दिल्ली के लोगों को जिस तरह से अपमानित किया जा रहा है, जिस तरह से दिल्ली में तानाशाही चल रही है, जिस तरह से सीएम साहब को पकड़ करके जेल में डाल दिया गया है, इस तानाशाही के खिलाफ और दिल्ली के अधिकारों पे जो रोज़ बरोज़ हमले हुए, जिस तरह से सुप्रीम कोर्ट के डिसीजन को ऑर्डिनेंस के तहत बदला गया, जिस तरीके से बार बार विकास के कार्यों को अटकाने की कोशिश की जाती है एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव तरीके से, और अंततः कई नेताओं को पकड़ करके चुनाव के बीच में जो जेल में डाला गया है, मैं समझता हूं कि ये दिल्ली के लोगों को अपमानित किया जा रहा है.
Defending himself over the allegations that the Grand Old Party's Delhi unit chief Arvinder Singh Lovely left his post because of him, Kanhaiya Kumar has now said that he is yet to read Lovely's resignation letter.
अव्वल वो पत्र तो मुझे नहीं मिला है, ना मैंने वो पत्र पढ़ा है, और आपको मालूम है कि देश भर में बीजेपी जो कर रही है वो ज़्यादा खतरनाक है. रादर देन कांग्रेस के किसी पार्टी के नेता ने इस्तीफा दे दिया, उससे ज़्यादा खतरनाक चीज़ें देश में हो रही है. हमने देखा कि सूरत में क्या हुआ, हमने देखा कि इंदौर में क्या हुआ, हमने देखा कि खजुराहो में क्या हुआ. मैं तो दिल्ली के लोगों को भी कह रहा हूँ कि आप सौभाग्यशाली हैं, आपके पास मौका है कि आप वोट दे पा रहे हैं, आपके प्रत्याशी टिके हुए हैं, तो आप वोट दीजिए, क्योंकि आपको जो ये वोट देने का अधिकार मिला है ये आपके पास रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा, पूरे देश की सूरत जो है वो सूरत जैसी बन जाएगी. इस पर विचार करना चाहिए और इस पर चर्चा करना चाहिए.
My colleague Tejshri joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Tejshri, this is now Kanhaiya Kumar being very defensive as far as the entire controversy of his candidature, creating a lot of chasm within the Congress is concerned, because a lot of questions are being raised about his candidature from within the Congress, and now when he's asked about it, he says that he has not even read the resignation letter of Arvinder Singh Lovely.
Yes, it is very much interesting. Remember that Congress leader Kanhaiya Kumar is contesting elections from Northeast Delhi constituency, and in fact against him is standing Manoj Tiwari, who is the BJP MP from Northeast Delhi itself. Today, Kanhaiya Kumar met Arvind Arvind Kejriwal's wife, Sunita Kejriwal, at the residence, and in fact they later told that it was a courtesy meeting. And remember that the India bloc is fighting with election and alliance as far as national capital is concerned. So that is why this meeting is certainly very much important, because after 2 to 3 weeks, Delhi is also going to witness Lok Sabha elections. And tomorrow, interestingly, Sunita Kejriwal is going to start her campaign in Gujarat for Lok Sabha elections. And yes, it is a very interesting response, or in fact, you can say a surprising response coming in from Kanhaiya Kumar as far as the response on Arvinder Singh Lovely's resignation is concerned, because yes, several red flags were raised when his name was being circulated. Apart from that, Kanhaiya Kumar and Udit Raj, these were the both
Right.
leaders against whom the Congress party workers from Delhi and the Congress leaders from Delhi were disappointed.
Absolutely. Tejshri, like you rightly pointed out, a lot of controversy erupting over Kanhaiya Kumar's nomination as well. We'll of course keep coming back to you for more on that. But on that note, viewers, let's slip into